Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change video autoplay settings on your Bumble account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, tap and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you can see gear icon at the upper left corner. Tap on it to access your settings. Now, scroll down until you see Video Autoplay Settings. Click on the option and you can choose when video on Bumble should autoplay. You can choose it on Wi-Fi and cellular data. The video will be automatically played if you are on Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you choose on Wi-Fi only, it will only be autoplayed on Wi-Fi. And if you click on Never Autoplay Videos, the video will never be autoplayed. So, that is how you can change your video autoplay settings on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.